Howdy folks, I'm Caleb with TELUS, and I'm here to answer the question, how do I set up rules and schedules for automation devices? Before we get started, I'd like to mention that what you'll see as options in the menus will change depending on what equipment you have installed. So if you don't see something that I have on my display, don't worry about it. If you're supposed to, it might be because it hasn't been added yet, or because you need to remove it and add it in again to unlock those options.
To get started, we'll go to telus.com/smarthome-login. Next, we'll click Automation from the menu on the left. From here, we'll click Add New Rule, and which option we select depends on what we want to automate. An event-triggered rule watches for a specific activity to activate your smart devices. For example, we can have a light turn on when a motion detector is triggered. The front door can lock anytime we arm the security system, or even disarm the security system when we unlock the front door with our code. Video rules control when a camera will record a clip. Video analytics is the most common way to set up a camera, and we've created another video just for this. All TELUS cameras are already set up to record when an alarm is triggered. Entry delay has a camera record when someone has entered the home before the alarm is disarmed. We can record a clip anytime a sensor has been triggered, anytime the system is armed or disarmed, and anytime a smart lock is locked or unlocked. Thermostat rules handle events outside of your daily schedule. Weather events watch for extreme temperatures. This is helpful for things like keeping pipes from freezing in an empty home or cabin. Sensor left open will watch for any door or window contacts that are left open. Smart humidity control uses your humidistat to keep the humidity in target, and Smart Away can save you energy by turning down the thermostat whenever no one's home. Schedules are used to control light bulbs and smart plugs, and you can set them to turn on and off whenever you'd like, or even at sunrise and sunset if that works best for you. Thermostat schedules are set up through the thermostat on the main page, and we have a video dedicated to this.
I hope that helps you get your rules and schedules set up, and thanks for watching us at TELUS.